Hey guys, I was struggling today with a pair of scissors that won't cut, and I thought I would share this quick tip on how to sharpen scissors. So as you can see, it's not cutting pretty much at all. So to sharpen scissors, you take any kind of glass or glass jar and you just try and cut it like that. You can try and cut the neck off, whatever's easiest. I find it easier to cut the rim, and you just do that a few times. You're not going to damage the jar, and your scissors are super sharp after that.